What's poppin', you guys? It's your girl Ari, and I am here with a makeup tutorial. Yes, honey, fierce, serving the looks for the girls. Yes. If you would like to see how I achieve this beautiful pink halo eye, please keep on watching, honey. This was so fun. I hope you guys enjoy. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ari, and I'm here with a makeup tutu. Makeup tutu, get it? Tutu. Ow. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime with my L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base. I'm focusing this on the center of my face and spreading it outwards. So now I'm going in with my NYX Tame and Frame. Just feathering the brows at the front to make sure there's no harshness going on. A brow. I don't like to overdo it. You know what I'm saying? I want my brows to be the same color as my edges. Snatched. Draw, but feather. So I guess you could say I like my eyebrows to be naturally harsh. Just brushing through, making sure everything is evenly distributed. And now I'm going to go ahead, just a little flat brush, any type of flat brush like so. And I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm using this MAC concealer palette. Going in with these two shades right here. NC40 and NC42, I believe. Oh, and I'm going with NW40 on the top of my brow. And I like to use a concealer that's much closer to my skin tone when I am concealing the top of the brow, just to give it a more natural look. Snatched. A brow, honey. A brow. We are coming together. Okay? Y'all saw me at the beginning. I have naked mole rat brows, okay? I don't... No. Oh, baby, I'm play too much. Let me put some Vaseline on my lips because they are crap. So y'all wasn't gonna tell me my lips look like that? Y'all ain't loyal at all, baby. Vaseline. Use it. I mean crusty. Peeling. Oh, my dimple showing. Y'all see it? Ah! She only show up when she likes somebody. She was like y'all. Y'all got me blushing over here and stuff. Y'all cute or whatever. What is this on my nose? Why y'all don't ever tell me when I have stuff places? Oh my gosh, I'm really over here looking crusty. And y'all just wasn't gonna tell me. Wow. 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 This young man by the name of Clarence NYC. That boy right there. I'm gonna be quiet. That boy is fine. Like, I do not hype people up, y'all. I don't even like, I'm not gonna say that, but let's just say he's not really my type. But that boy is handsome than a mug. Like, beard game strong. I be like, dang, can I have one? He make me wanna pray for him. He makes me wanna pray for him like a mug. Wow. Man, that boy fine. That boy good. I would love to sit in the prayer closet with him and pray for him. Amen. Okay, God. Like, I see you. God. I mean, like, I knew you perform miracles, Lord, but I ain't never seen a walking one. I ain't never seen a walking miracle till I see that man right there. Well, other than me, of course. Okay, so I'm just blending out the concealer that I used. These brows are looking nice, honey, snatched. You want to see a little closer? Don't be a drag, just be a queen. Right now, today, they're making me feel real good. Real good. Real cute. So next things next, we're going to get into this eye though. Just taking this same concealer though. Them shadows ain't going nowhere. I'm going to set the concealer with my Airspun translucent loose face powder. Y'all ready for this? Da, 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 da. Just going in with the fluffy brush, tapping off the excess. I'm going into Morocco by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm putting that in my crease using a fluffy brush. Just putting that all throughout my crease. Remember like last year when AliExpress had all that knockoff makeup and like everybody was going crazy? I was going crazy too. This is that knockoff makeup. Well, this brush is actually, I got this brush during that time. I actually did get some like fake Anastasia pomades. I used it once and I was too scared to use it because I thought I was gonna get like rat poisoning or something from it. Okay, so now that we have our transition in the crease, I'm going to go in with this BH Cosmetics Party Girl palette. How did I just fall? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going in with this shade right here. I'm going to take that on the outer portion of my eye. Make sure that's blended in nicely. Low-key taking this pink shade up in the crease too. Just a little bit, a little lower. I'm trying to go a little lower. I'm just going to go back in with this from the outer part of my eye. The inner third, I guess. The inner third and the outer third. Boop, boop. I did not come to play. What I came to do was slay. Hello. Hello. Okay, doing the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now that we have the O, we just need the halo. What, Ariana? Girl, stop. You know, the inside of the halo. Y'all got what I was trying to say. Don't act. Alright, so I'm just taking my spray bottle. It's just water. It's my spray bottle of water. And, oh, getting it on the lens. Did I get that on y'all? I'm so sorry if I did. And I'm taking Pink Champagne by Anastasia Beverly Hills again. But let's talk about how Anastasia has really gone up on her prices, because this palette was $35. And I know this for a fact because I got it with a gift card. I mean, it's worth it. Because honestly, the formulas be banging. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not gonna fake on Anastasia, okay? I'm not gonna do it. But dang, I just graduated college. Can I get a little... Bro, I just thought of something genius. All makeup lines should have student discounts. I don't care what you say. Because if you want me to buy your product, make it to where I can afford it. Twice. Because Jay-Z said you can't afford it if you can't buy it twice. Okay, so I'm just placing Pink Champagne directly in the center of where I placed the darker pink shade. Here I'm just blending those two pink shades into each other to make sure that there is no harshness going on. Really taking my time kind of to make sure everything is nicely aligned and blended in. Way too cute. Again, just spraying. Make sure we're getting the optimal pigmentation. We want all those chunks of glitter to be on there, okay? I pray that you are getting your whole life watching this video, okay? It's my only request right now, okay? I just want you to get your whole life. Because I'm getting mine. No doubt about it. I'm getting mine. Okay, I'm just going to go back in with this first pink shade from the BH Cosmetics palette just to liven that outer and inner up a little bit more. I really want this pink to be really intense. Alright, so now we're on to my favoriteest part, which is the glitter. I'm going to use a gold glitter today. I'm just taking the same brush that I used to put the center shade on. And I'm actually going to use some Vaseline because I can't find my glitter adhesive. I have no idea where it is. So I'm just taking a little bit of Vaseline on the back of my hand. A very little bit because I don't want the shadows to move. Getting a little glitter. And I'm just going to pop that like sporadically over the lid. Like so. And just doing the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now we have finished the top of the eye. We're just gonna start with the rest of the face. So I'm just taking my LA Girl color corrector, and I'm not going as hammy as I did in that other video because I put way too much color corrector on. I was looking like a pumpkin. So now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, matte poreless in 334. Just taking some on my mixing palette.
Got it all on my face. Got it all on my chain. Got it all on my watch. Don't believe me, just watch.
And just blending out that foundation.
See, because we don't want to be looking like a mask. We are not Jim Carrey.
Okay, so now I'm going in with my Kevin Aquan Sensual Skin Enhancer in SX11 underneath my eyes to highlight. You can honestly use this stuff as a foundation. It's so thick and it goes such a long way. It's highlighting the high points of my face. I'm gonna dampen my beauty blender a little bit because she's a little dry. Kind of also using the concealer to clean up this the edges of the eyeshadow. Alright, so now I'm going to set that with the same translucent powder that we used on the lids, the Airspun translucent powder. And now I'm going in with my Sephora Micro Smooth, just sweeping all of that powder away.
My skin's like so dry right now, like with the way the weather's set up. Oh, honey.
Honey. Okay, so next I'm just gonna bronze my face with my e.l.f. Looks like this. Right here.
I bronze, I like contour. I just prefer to look bronzy.
Just adding a little warmth to the face.
Dragging it a little bit upward. Just bronzing my forehead.
Listen, this is not the place where you come if you want to be taught how to do makeup. This is a place you come to watch me entertain myself and be snatched while doing it, okay?
You just thought this was baby birthday at my birthday party? With a birthday cake at my birthday party? Like...
Forehead bronzed. Who am I kidding? 5 head. Chin up. A little on my nose, just bronzing up my nose as well. I'm going to get with my Milani Baked blush in Bellissimo Bronze. It looks like this. Really super pretty blush.
Super pretty blush, super light.
I'm going in with the Missy Lynn palette, going into the more rose goldy highlighter. I had to switch brushes because that brush was being weird and fluffy. Okay, so those highlighters, as you can see, are very pretty, very subtle. But I want a little something a little less subtle for this look because we were trying to get real aggressive, baby. So I'm going in with this ColourPop Karochi highlighter and what is it called? K-pop. I have run this highlighter to the ground, okay? The ground. I'm probably gonna get tired of me with these highlighters, but I'm also gonna take this Bobbi Brown highlighter in Bronze Glow. So now I'm just going back in with my Party Girl palette, and I'm going to blend this color onto the lower lash line, this pink shade that we used for the outer and inner third.
The bottom, you know what I'm trying to say. The bottom eye.
Just gonna also try to connect it a little bit. And also going back into Anastasia, Pink Champagne, right smack dab in the center. Again, taking that glitter, I'm gonna add some to the bottom lash line. And I'm also taking this on the inner corner. And I'm just gonna spray everything with my setting spray. Literally just water. I just use water for setting spray because I feel like it works really well. So just gonna let that dry. Taking these lashes. I got these lashes from the Beauty Supply. I can't think of the brand right now. So now I'm just gonna add my mascara. Going in with some black liner from my bottom lash line. So for my lipstick, I'm going to use this NYX matte lipstick in Sable. It's just like a really nice peachy nude. And I'm going over top of that with this Anastasia liquid lipstick in Gilded. Okay, so now that all of that is done, I'm just going to show you guys the rest of my look and I'll be back. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. I'm so silly. Okay, you guys. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please thumbs up this video if you enjoyed watching me do this little makeup tutu. So yeah, if you like this, please comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Deuces!